Hey there! In this video we'll take a closer look at the iPhone 16's action button. The action button is located on the left hand side of the iPhone, just above the volume down and volume up buttons. When you press and hold the action button, by default it goes to silent mode, and you'll see that indicated on the dynamic island. When you press and hold again, it turns silent mode off. That's really useful, and there are many more things this action button can do, so let's take a closer look now. What we do is go to Settings, and within the main settings menu, the action button has its own menu just here. Now, we've just seen silent mode. Let's move along to the next option, and that is Focus. Turn focus on to silence notifications and filter out distractions. If I press and hold the action button now, we have three options. We can select Do Not Disturb, Work or Sleep. If we go back, I can also just press here where it says All Focus Modes and select Do Not Disturb. Now when I press the action button, it goes straight to Do Not Disturb as indicated in the dynamic island. Press again and Do Not Disturb is turned off. Let's move along to the next option, which is the camera. Open the camera app to capture a moment. So I press and hold now. The camera app is open. Additionally, if I press and hold the action button, it will start recording a video. And it will keep recording until I release. Let's go back to the menu. Just here where it says photo, we also have more options. I'll press here. You can also open the selfie camera. You can also start a video, portrait mode, or portrait selfie mode. Moving along, we have flashlight. Press and hold the action button and the flashlight starts. What we can do here is tap the flashlight and pull down to lower or increase the intensity of the light. Go all the way down to turn the torch off. We can also move the finger from left to right, and this will expand the beam widthwise or make it more narrow. Let's turn that off. Next up, we have voice memo. We can record a voice memo by pressing and holding the button. I've released and you can see it's recording just in the dynamic island. I'll press and hold again and it's ended. Next up we have Shazam. Works similarly. If I press and hold, it will listen for music and identify it. Here on Translate, translate phrases or have a conversation with someone in another language. Let's test this. Press and hold. Hello, what is your name?
Bonjour, comment vous appelez-vous?
And there we have the English translation into French. And there is a Translate app which you can go into and customize this so it uses the languages you wish. Moving along, we go to Magnifier. Turn your iPhone into a magnifying glass to zoom in on and detect objects near you. This is also available in the notification center. Literally just press and hold the button and you can use this to read small serial numbers and small letters. Moving along, here we have shortcuts and it says open an app or run your favorite shortcut. We can click on choose a shortcut, and right here the first option we can choose is open an app. If we'd like to open an app with this action button, go here and simply scroll down the list and locate the app you want. Now when you press and hold the action button, it fires up that app. We also have the option to run shortcuts. For example, if you use the Books app, you can click on Books, read current or play current. If you select clock, you can set a timer, add alarm, and there are many more options you can go through here. Next up, we have accessibility. Quickly use an accessibility feature. Choose a feature. Right here we have accessibility options for vision, motor, hearing, and general. Just to give you an idea, we'll go to classic invert. Let's press and hold, and you can see the colours are inverted. And I'll be doing a separate video on the accessibility options. The final option is no action at all. Press and hold, no action at all. So there we have it. Which do you think is the best option for the action button? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks very much for watching my video, and I wish you a great day ahead.